Welcome to Wisdom in Buddhism. In a world where reliance on others is often inevitable, we invite you to a different path, a journey of autonomy and enlightenment. Today, we delve into the ancient yet ever-relevant teachings of Buddhism that inspire you to unlock your inner strength and embrace true independence. Are you prepared to break free from conventional dependencies? To discover the immense power that lies within when you connect deeply with your own spirit? Join us as we embark on this enlightening path of self-discovery and independence, guided by the timeless wisdom of Buddha. With open minds and hearts, let us step into the realm of self-mastery and personal growth. This is not just a journey, it's a transformation. Ready to begin? Let's explore together how solitude can be your most powerful ally in the quest for enlightenment and self-reliance. In Buddhism, self-sufficiency isn't just a practice, it's a fundamental principle. The path to enlightenment is walked alone. Today, we dive into how liberating yourself from dependence not only strengthens your spirit but also opens the door to profound personal growth. Imagine a life where you are the master of your fate, navigating through challenges with a resilience forged from self-reliance. As we explore the steps to achieving such independence, let's first understand the core Buddhist belief that underpins this journey. Buddhism teaches that we are the architects of our own happiness and suffering. This philosophy empowers us to take control of our lives by understanding and transforming our minds. Self-sufficiency in Buddhism begins with recognizing that our mental state directly influences our ability to live independently and prosperously. Let's consider the concept of anatta, or non-self, which is pivotal in understanding Buddhist self-sufficiency. Anatta suggests that we are not fixed entities but processes in constant change, influenced by our actions and thoughts. By embracing this fluidity, we free ourselves from the shackles of dependency. Self-sufficiency, therefore, involves cultivating a deep sense of awareness and mindfulness. It's about making conscious choices that align with our true path. Not dictated by societal pressures or immediate desires but guided by a clear understanding of our deepest values. The practice of mindfulness allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without attachment, giving us the clarity to act from a place of wisdom rather than reaction. This is the foundation of self-reliance, knowing oneself so well that external circumstances no longer dictate our inner peace and decisions. This brings us to meditation, a tool to sharpen this awareness. Meditation is not just a retreat from the world but a way to engage more fully with it. By sitting in silence, we confront the entirety of our being, our fears, hopes, and the transient nature of our thoughts. Through regular meditation, we cultivate a resilience that is self-generated, not reliant on external validations or conditions. This resilience enables us to navigate life's challenges with grace and strength, embracing each moment as an opportunity for growth and enlightenment. As we continue our journey through this video, remember that self-sufficiency is not about isolation but about developing a strength that allows you to stand alone when necessary and interact with others from a position of compassion and stability, not dependency. Next, we will explore inspiring stories from Buddhist teachings that highlight the transformative power of self-reliance and solitude in achieving personal enlightenment. Let's delve deeper into the enlightening journey of Siddhartha Gautama. Renouncing a life of luxury and the trappings of royalty, he embarked on a quest for understanding that would transform him into the Buddha. His journey is a testament to the power of solitude in uncovering profound truths about life and oneself. Alone, under the vast canopy of the night sky, Siddhartha faced the ultimate human fears and desires. It was in these moments of deep solitude that he found the middle way and achieved enlightenment, realizing the interconnected nature of all life and the path to nirvana. But Siddhartha's story is not the only tale of solitude and self-discovery. Across the ages, many have walked similar paths. Let us explore the story of Milarepa, the 11th century Tibetan sage renowned for his poetic insights and the purity of his monastic life. Milarepa, once a black magician, sought redemption from his past sins through the solitary practice of meditation in the mountains of Tibet. His years of isolation brought him face to face with his inner demons and past misdeeds. And through intense meditation, he transformed them into a source of profound wisdom. Another inspiring example is found in the life of Phra Ajahn Mun Buddhadutta. In the 20th century, this Thai Buddhist monk revitalized the forest monk tradition, emphasizing asceticism and the meditative journey into the self. Ajahn Mun spent decades wandering through Thailand's forests, often dwelling alone in its most remote parts. His teachings reveal that solitude provides the silence necessary for deep reflection, allowing us to hear the subtle sounds of our own minds and the truths they hold. These stories, while rooted in different cultures and times, all share a common thread: the profound strength and insights gained through solitude. Each sage discovered that true understanding comes from within, and that by embracing solitude, they could transcend ordinary existence and touch the sublime. Through stories like Siddhartha's, Milarepa's, and Ajahn Mun's, we see that solitude is not loneliness, but a profound opportunity to encounter our true strengths and vulnerabilities. It is in these quiet moments alone that we can truly listen to and engage with the deepest parts of ourselves. As we continue to explore the essence of self-reliance and personal enlightenment, remember that the journey is as unique as the individual who walks it. What truths might you uncover in your moments of solitude? Let their stories inspire you to find out. Embarking on the journey toward self-reliance begins with you. It requires a commitment to self-discovery and a readiness to face what comes. Let's walk through practical steps that can guide you towards cultivating your inner strength and achieving true independence. First, setting clear, personal goals is essential. These are not just any goals, but ones that resonate deeply with your core values and aspirations. Whether it's achieving peace of mind, improving personal relationships, or pursuing a career ambition, each goal should reflect a step towards your true self. Once your goals are set, integrate daily practices of meditation into your routine. Meditation is more than a practice of quietude, it's a profound tool to enhance your self-awareness and connect with your deepest thoughts and feelings. Start with just a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Meditation helps you build a fortress of calm in your mind, essential for facing life's storms with equanimity. Developing discipline and resilience is next. Embrace challenges alone, understanding that each obstacle is not a barrier but a stepping stone to greater strength. When you encounter difficulties, view them as opportunities to test and refine your abilities. For instance, if a goal seems daunting, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach not only simplifies what may seem overwhelming, but also provides frequent opportunities for small victories, boosting your confidence and motivation. Regular self-reflection is crucial. Take time each week to assess your progress towards your goals. Ask yourself, what have I learned? What do I need to improve? This habit will sharpen your self-awareness and foster a mindset of continuous personal growth. Remember, the path to independence is unique for each individual. It requires patience, commitment, and most importantly, a belief in one's own capabilities. Let's consider the transformative story of Angulimala, a feared bandit whose life was changed by a single encounter with Buddha. Known for the garland of fingers he wore around his neck, tokens from his victims, Angulimala's heart was transformed. When Buddha compassionately confronted him, leading him to renounce violence and seek redemption. This story teaches us that no one is beyond the power of transformation through self-reflection and resilience. Angulimala went on to become a respected monk, proving that even those with troubled pasts can change and find peace. Every story of change, including yours, can inspire and teach. As we continue to explore these paths, remember that the strength to change comes from within. Set your goals, embrace solitude for reflection, and cultivate the discipline necessary for self-reliance. Your journey towards inner strength and independence is a profound quest that reshapes not only your life but also the world around you. Discovering your inner potential is not just a goal, it's a transformative journey. When you face life's challenges alone, you're not just surviving, you're learning. You uncover your inherent strengths and identify your weaknesses. This process is empowering. Each obstacle you overcome on your own reinforces your self-confidence and fortifies your resolve. These personal victories teach us resilience and show us that our greatest resources lie within. By harnessing this inner strength, you prepare yourself to tackle greater challenges, turning what once seemed insurmountable into achievable milestones. Buddhism holds self-awareness at the core of enlightenment. It teaches us to delve deep within through meditation and introspection, crucial practices for anyone seeking to understand their true nature. Through regular meditation, you learn to quiet the noise of the external world and connect with your inner self. This clarity of mind opens doors to profound insights about who you are beyond the surface, your desires, fears, and ultimate truths. Buddha wisely said, "Endurance is one of the most difficult disciplines, but it is to the one who endures that the final victory comes." Building mental toughness is essential for anyone on the path of self-reliance. It's about developing resilience, maintaining a calm focus in the storm of life's challenges, and emerging not just unscathed but stronger. This toughness isn't just about enduring but thriving. It requires a balanced and composed attitude, cultivated through mindful meditation and the daily practice of facing and embracing each difficulty as an opportunity to grow. In the journey of personal growth, self-care is the foundation. Self-reflection and mindfulness not only help us understand our own needs and aspirations but also enhance our ability to offer genuine compassion to others. True compassion starts with oneself. By nurturing your well-being, you become more grounded and centered. This personal equilibrium makes you better equipped to support others effectively and compassionately. The engine of self-reliance is intrinsic motivation. Setting meaningful goals, engaging in positive self-talk, and maintaining a mindful and intentional approach to daily life, these are the fuels that keep this engine running. Remember, the journey of self-motivation begins with your thoughts. By believing in your potential and engaging deeply with your personal aspirations, you forge a path that is not only self-sustaining but also richly rewarding. As we journey through life, each of us has the potential to tap into our deepest strengths, face challenges with grace, and cultivate a life of independence and fulfillment. Start today, and step into the power of your own spirit. As we come to a close, remember that the journey to self-reliance is deeply personal and incredibly rewarding. Like the lotus flower rising from the mud, your journey will lead you to blossom into the best version of yourself. Embrace the path of solitude with confidence and determination. Let each step you take be guided by the wisdom of Buddha, knowing that you are never truly alone in your journey towards enlightenment. Thank you for joining us at Wisdom in Buddhism. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Continue your journey of independence and self-discovery, and remember, your greatest adventure begins with a single step taken alone.